Sophia Learning costs $99 a month. Study.com is over $235 a month. If you are trying to hack your college degree, those subscriptions add up fast. If you get stuck on a difficult class, you are suddenly paying hundreds of dollars just to earn 3 credits. But what if there was a platform that is completely free to learn and charges exactly $5 to earn official college credit? No monthly fees, no hidden subscription costs, and no ticking clock. Just $5. Today we are breaking down 𝐋𝐢𝐟𝐞 Academy. I will show you exactly how it works, how the credit transfers, and the step-by-step method to get your college credits for the price of a coffee. What actually is 𝐋𝐢𝐟𝐞 Academy? 𝐋𝐢𝐟𝐞 Academy is a nonprofit organization, and their entire mission is providing free education for everyone. Unlike Sophia or Study.com, which are for-profit models, 𝐋𝐢𝐟𝐞 provides all their courses, textbooks, and materials for $0. You can take classes in business, computer science, economics, and general education requirements without paying a dime. You study at your absolute own pace. There is no graded homework, no forced attendance, and no teacher breathing down your neck. It is 100% self-directed. If you need 3 days or 3 months to learn business law, you take that time without worrying about a monthly renewal fee draining your account. The $5 catch. I know what you are thinking. Where is the catch? Taking the course is completely free. Completing the modules is free. But a free certificate of completion does not get you a degree. To earn real transferable college credit, you have to take a proctored final exam. 𝐋𝐢𝐟𝐞 uses an automated proctoring service called Smarter Proctoring, and that third-party service charges a $5 fee per exam session. That is literally the only money you will ever spend here. Will my college accept this? Does this credit actually transfer to your university? The short answer is yes. These courses are ACE recommended. The American Council on Education is the exact same governing body that evaluates Sophia and Study.com. 𝐋𝐢𝐟𝐞 has direct partnerships with major online universities like Western Governors University and University of Maryland Global Campus. Even if your school is not a direct partner, many universities independently accept ACE credits. The playbook. So how do you actually execute this? Here is the exact playbook to make sure you do not waste your time. First, you must verify with your school. Before you spend a single second studying, go to 𝐋𝐢𝐟𝐶's ACE recommended credit page, find the course you want, and ask your college registrar if they accept the ACE credit for that specific class. Get it in writing. Next, you take the course. Go through the modules, read the provided texts, and watch the embedded lectures. The study guide provided at the end of the course is your absolute holy grail. You want to rely heavily on that study guide over the practice tests to prepare for the final. Finally, you pay your $5 and take the proctored exam via your webcam. The system records your screen and audio to ensure academic integrity. If you pass, you get an ACE-endorsed badge through Accredible, which you then send directly to your college for transcript evaluation. Pros, cons, and strategies. Now let us be real about the pros and cons compared to a platform like Sophia. The pros are obvious. It is unbeatable in price. It completely removes the stressful ticking clock of a monthly subscription. The cons? 𝐋𝐢𝐟𝐞 exams are notoriously rigorous. Unlike Sophia, where many exams are open book or project-based, 𝐋𝐢𝐟𝐼's proctored exams are heavily monitored, closed book tests. You actually have to know the material inside and out to pass. But here is a massive tip. Because the exam is only $5 and you are allowed up to 3 attempts per course, use your first attempt as a $5 practice test. If you pass it on the first try, that is amazing. If you fail, you have to wait 14 days to retest. But now you know exactly how the exam is structured, the tone of the questions, and the specific areas you need to review. Final thoughts. If you have discipline, patience, and want to save thousands of dollars on your degree, 𝐋𝐢𝐟𝐞 Academy is the ultimate hack. It takes a bit more self-motivation than the gamified platforms, but the financial payoff is massive. Have you tried 𝐋𝐢𝐟𝐞 or Sophia? Let me know your experience in the comments below. Hit subscribe for more education hacks, and I will see you in the next one.